Hey, I am 1 minute early because I want to just be on here, see who's coming on, what's up, stop, drop, and breathe. Fridays. How is everybody doing? Welcome. How's everybody doing? So I put into the comments area. Hey, Susan, this one's for you, Susan. I loved your suggestions, and I was actually just about to give you a shout out. Thank you for being here, and thank you for being early. Yay. So this is Stop, Drop, and Breathe. I'm not in your backyard. I'm in my little New York City apartment, but it is sunny here, and I'm going to go out for a really nice walk in after this, actually. So, happy Friday. My gosh, I don't know about you, but this week was just feeling really long for me. I don't know if it was the rain. Dina, San Diego in the house. I'm loving it. Thank you for being here. So today, I put in the comments, what are you releasing and what are you creating? Because today is all about release and create. So Susan, you were talking about calming our thoughts and stopping all the questioning and think about today and not next month. Well, Stop, Drop, and Breathe is all about just stop, get present with yourself, go inward, which is what we're about to do, and then breathe deep, which is one of the best ways that you can stay present and calm your mind. So release and create is all about dualities. Everything that I always talk about in the work that I do will probably come back to dualities. So if you want to create something new, most likely you're going to need to release or let go or transform something that is possibly like plugging up the spot that you want the new thing to come into. It's almost like, the cup is full and there's a time when overfloweth is good, where you're giving from the overflow. But I often talk about the law of sacrifice and how it says you must give up something of lower value for something of higher value, which means you're being conscious to the thing that's taking up that spot. Is it of its highest value to you? Is it the priority in your life? Or is it time to evaluate it and say, you know what? I want an upgrade. I want this or something better. So one of the ways to do this that isn't in our mind, because we're often like trying to change our thoughts, which I love doing, and that's a big part of the work. And then we're always trying to not do something, do something. Well, one of the best things you can do is simulate it in your body. Release some energy, some tension that's holding up some spaces, and breathwork is great for that. And then you can open up some space to then consciously fill it with what you want. And the filling of it comes by looking at the things that bring you joy, what's going to make you laugh. All right, so since we're only here for 15 minutes, I'm going to jump into some of the body stuff. And of course, write in the comments something that you feel like you're releasing. Maybe it's thinking too much, maybe it's tension in your body. And then if you're going to release that, what is it that you're creating for yourself? Are you creating more space to what? Garden, be out in the backyard, make more money, have clients that you love, be in a healthy relationship with yourself, have more meditation time. You get the point. So be conscious right now of thinking, what is it that you need to release? So when we get to that part, and then what is it that you're creating? What are you creating more of? Because you are the creator of your life, right? Metamorfize. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with something very simple, which is we hold so much tension in our jaw and in our hips. So let's just that maxilla and the mandible meet in this tiny little spot right here. So just start to massage this little spot, and naturally your mouth is gonna, oh, by the way, this is not a cute, Lisa's not gonna look cute on this one going like, but it feels so good. So you want to just Open your mouth really wide as you start to massage this spot right here. You can bring the breath there. You'll feel it. It can feel really tense, especially with all of us sleeping in tension. We might be grinding our teeth. So if you find a spot you really like, just massage it. And then just allow your mouth to really move up and down, sideways. It's hard to do this and talk. Just really, really massage your mouth. When's the last time you just like... Oh my God, I'm gonna like post this one and then crack up later that I actually did this. Okay, let's all look crazy together. I wish I could see you guys. Start making some noises because it's going to lead into what we're doing next. So just start allowing. Gisela, this is not cute look, but okay, look. Seriously, start making some noises. Allow your face muscles to relax. We are holding so much tension. Go small, go crunch it up. Open it up. Crunch it up. Open it up. If you're not laughing, I don't know what to do. All right, so actually, just beginning, see if this exercise is easy for you or something that does not come easy. It's just some gibberish. So, Susan, you were talking about how to calm the thoughts. Well, just gibberish them out. I'm going to start standing up because let's get some movement into this gibberish. I wish I could hear everybody. We do this in a workshop and it's so fun. Shake, shake, shake. Start moving. Start moving. Just get it out. Tension is also in our hips, so just start moving your hips. Woof like a dog. We're making sound. I'll show you guys my elephant. Here it goes. Ready? Release, release, release. Get it out, get it out, get it out. All right, we're going to make 3 very important sounds. We're going to go hoo, ha, and he. But I'm going to show you how to do it. Those are the 3 sounds. Hoo for our hips, ha for our heart, and he for our head. All right? So just start bringing some breath and movement to your hoo. Pushing down and releasing all that down energy. Hoo, 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 hoo. Make it your own. Get your dance on. Hoo, 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 hoo. From your gut and from your lower abs. This is a low energy. Vibrations of low. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Push it back down. Hoo, 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 hoo. And now, ha, 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 ha. From your heart. Ha, 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 ha. In through your mouth on the breathing and just make the sound ha, 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 ha. What are you releasing? Release it, release it, ha, ha, ha. Moving to the heat, 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 heat. Close your eyes. Heat, 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 heat. Starting from the bottom with hoo, 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 hoo. Get down like this. Hoo, 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 hoo. Use your hips. Hoo, 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 hoo. Get it out. Hoo, 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 hoo. Moving to the ha, 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 doing it all together and hoo, ha, he, 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 hoo, ha, he. 3 more. Hoo, ha, he. 2, hoo, ha, he. Last one. Hoo, ha, he. Stop. Take a deep breath in through your mouth, out through your mouth. Feel what shifted. Feel what maybe has released. If you were conscious about whatever it was, just allow it to be gone. It's gone. It's released. And let it go. Take a deep breath in. Take another deep breath out. In. You can find your seat if you want. And just deep breath in through your mouth and out through your mouth. Just allowing the breath now to just, you did the work. Create now. Use your breath as the creation energy. So deep breath in is expanding, opening up to whatever it is that you want. Find your rhythm. Ready for a few moments here? Ah. We end with the sound of ah, which is the heart sound. Ah. Inhale. Exhale. Filling up with all your creation energy. Expanding into possibilities, into opportunities. Exhaling out like butterflies flying to collect your dreams. Breathing in. Breathing out. Just inhaling. Feel the rise of the inhale. Exhaling, allowing all your energy to be grounded in your hu, ha, he. You're grounded from the down below as so is above, and your heart is the middle. Breathing in, filling up your cup with all that you want to create. Exhaling out, feeling your heart beating, finding a way to just feel this gratitude, this luxury of this amazing breath you're breathing. Opening, expanding, melting. Yes, indulge. Feel the luxuriating of this moment. Being present with your breath and your body. Inhale. Exhale. It's allowing your shoulders to really drop down. Feeling the calm permeate. Feeling yourself at ease. Believing in yourself. You are the creator of your life. You are in control of your mind, and everything is traveling with its counterpart. So just remember, if you want to change any emotion, think about the opposite of it, and then just breathe into it, release and create. Faith and fear, the dualities are with us at all times. Just like the inhale and the exhale, the expansion and the contraction. One does not exist without the other. So just take another nourishing deep breath in, filling up with this love for yourself, for showing up for yourself today. Thank you for being here and supporting me, supporting yourself. And in the spirit of creation, I just wanted to let you know that I have also been creating. I've been busy painting again, and I just wanted to show you some of my creations. I'm working on layering. This is my go home, but it originally was go me because I was so excited to make my first piece again. Then this is inspired by Kyoto, my Japanese archery that I used to take. And this is a time to refocus, find our, well, focus or refocus to find your center, which this 7-part Kyoto style meditation is just super powerful thing to do. Then this one is a work in progress, not finished yet. Any ideas, inspirations, always welcome. Probably put a word on this one. What word should I put? Maybe release and create. That'd be fun. Thank you. Inspiring that one. Stop, drop, and breathe. Maybe I'll say stop, drop, and breathe. And this one is going to have a beautiful poem that I wrote. I'll be putting here in calligraphy once I commit to the pen and commit. This painting, that's my last one. I really love this one, the simplicity, the colors, just how it was such a happy accident, actually, because I was like, I messed up. And then, yeah, so painting has become an amazing experience for me creating because I'm releasing a lot of things right now too. So anyway, happy manifesting. Thank you for being here. Reach out if you need anything, always available for a phone call, and see you soon. See you next Friday. Bye.